Making mobile payments beyond NFC.
Hello and welcome to our video. Today we're going to discuss an important topic that impacts us all: making mobile payments. As technology evolves, so does the way we handle our money. While NFC or near-field communication has become a popular method for mobile payments, it's not the only way to pay with your smartphone. Let's discover some alternative methods for making mobile payments without NFC.
What is QR code payment?
One common alternative to NFC payments is QR code payments. A QR code, quick response code, is a type of barcode that can be read using a smartphone camera. To make a payment, a user scans a QR code provided by the vendor, which then prompts the payment app on the user's phone to complete the transaction. This method is especially popular in countries like China, with payment platforms like WeChat Pay and Alipay dominating the market.
What is SMS-based payment?
Another method is SMS-based payments. With this method, you link your bank account or credit card information to a service that allows you to send payments via text message. After initiating the transaction, you will receive a confirmation code via text to verify the payment. This method is particularly useful in regions with low smartphone penetration or limited internet access.
What is mobile banking apps?
Mobile banking apps are another excellent alternative. Banks around the world offer apps that allow customers to make payments directly from their bank accounts. While these may not be suitable for making payments at a physical store, they're perfect for online shopping, paying bills, and transferring money to friends and family.
What are direct mobile billing and mobile money?
Direct mobile billing is a method where the cost of a purchase is added to your phone bill, while mobile money involves a phone-based wallet that users can load with cash at supporting vendors. These methods are often used for digital goods, such as app purchases, and are especially popular in regions where bank account penetration is low but mobile phone use is high. So there you have it, a variety of alternative methods for making mobile payments without the need for NFC. Whether you're using a QR code, SMS payments, a banking app, direct mobile billing, or mobile money, the world of mobile payments is diverse and continually evolving. We hope this video has been helpful and insightful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks, and remember, the future of finance is in your hands.